Hi, welcome to Trendy Output YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to preheat OTG oven.
I am using Morphy Richards 30 liters OTG oven.
First, switch on the OTG. Next, set the mode to bake. Next, set the temperature. I am setting 180 degrees. Generally for cake baking, we set 170 or 180 degrees, or you can set as per your recipe. Now finally set the timer for 8 to 10 minutes. I am setting 10 minutes. Let's wait for 10 minutes. 10 minutes completed. You can check the temperature using oven thermometer also. Now place the cake tin on middle rack. Close the oven. Now set timer for 35 minutes. Now let's wait for 35 minutes to bake the cake. That's it. Thank you for visiting Trendy Output YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe.